Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make a review on Prats Token and Pratis CRM. Before getting into the video, guys please do like and subscribe. If you want me to review any new token, you can drop the name of the token in the comment section below. Guys, it's not financial advice, so please do your own research before investing. Let's start the video. If we get into their website, the main motto of the token is to increase company sales with reoccurrence of its customers. So let's get more deeper into the website to know more details about Pratis CRM. The sales explosion you've always wanted. Sales funnel with business intelligence integrated. Grow your sales with an intelligent system that works for you. Smart dashboards with data that matters. Optimize processes, automatically generate accurate reports, and make better data-driven decisions. Few screens and the UX you have dreamed about. Quick access to the session on very few screens and an user experience you always dreamed about. Now let's know about Prats Token. Prats Token is the Pratis CRM's token, and it's a Mr. Tokens project. Prats Token's goal is to provide benefits and access to the Pratis ecosystem, allowing holders to benefit from Pratis universe. Stake $Prats and get part of Pratis CRM revenue through airdrops. A percent of Pratis CRM's net profit will be converted into $Prats purchase orders. Pay Pratis CRM subscription with $Prats. Stake $Prats and get a Pratis CRM free subscription. Hold $Prats and be part of Pratis ecosystem. If we come to its tokenomics, its total supply was 1 billion. It has 10% buy and sell tax. It is a Binance Smart Chain. You can have their team members. Marcos Alexander CEO. William Almeida COO. Wildson Caldera CMO. Most frequently asked questions. What is Pratis CRM? What is Prats Token? How does it work? If we come to its white paper, you can have it here. To know more about token and project, you can follow them. You can see their partners. Mr. Tokens. Gempad. Pinksale. Contract Wolf. Nordic Fellow. If we come to the conclusion, guys, is this project is all about increasing sales of company with an essential technology, and it has sold the equivalent of the whole month in 10 days. So as ever company want to increase their scales, so by using this project there can even go their scales faster. So according to my point of view, this project seems to be good and good potential to increase in future. Guys, as not many companies are not using this project present now. So in future if it come to use in all companies, so then definitely the price of the token will increase. Guys, as everything is not in our hands, so let hope the best. Guys, please do your own research before investing in this coin and invest some part of your savings only.
Listen!